Hey everybody, it's favorite lawyer, and this user wants to know if you can legally park in a handicap space with a proper placard on private property and then leave that private property and still be legally parked there. And that's some nuance. So legally speaking, you can park in a handicap space at a public parking space, any place is open to the public like a business, if you have the placard properly displayed and it's issued to you. Now, the police are going to be the ones that are going to enforce whether or not the vehicle is legally parked in that space, as in, does it have a placard, is it allowed to be there? If you don't have a placard, then the police could ticket or tow that vehicle. But that being said, when it comes to private property, you only have a license to be on that private property when you are serving a purpose on that property. So Walmart grants to you a implied license to be on their property while conducting business at Walmart. But the minute you're no longer conducting business at Walmart, your license expires, right? So if you come onto Walmart's private property, you have any right to be there. You can walk into the store, do whatever you want to. But if you start soliciting customers, trying to sell your wares, you become disruptive, it's private property, so they can trespass you and ask you to leave. Your license has now expired. If a business only allows you to park on that business's property while you are visiting that business, then the minute you leave that business, your vehicle might be legally parked in the handicap space for the purpose of getting a violation of the handicap parking space law, but illegally parked from a perspective of trespassing, at which point in time the owner of the property could have your vehicle towed and removed.